Hey guys, it's me, Anastasia, and today we'll be making slime. So here's how it works. So we have all these different types of glues, and my brother O'Shea is going to help me, and he's going to blindfold me, and he's going to mix up all the glues. So let's get started. No, I can't see anything, guys, so, and I'm not cheating, so yeah. So, O'Shea, mix up the glue. I can't see anything. So, just mix it all up. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna pick my colors. Okay, so I'm picking them. I'll pick this one. And my last color. So now okay, so I've decided we're gonna do a little twist. So I'm gonna do this whole thing blindfolded. So 3 colors of glue slime challenge blindfolded. Okay, let's get started. So I wonder what glues I got. So this is my first glue that I'm using. I'm not gonna use all of it though, because I wanna save some. Next glue is this one. Right now I'm adding in the glue, and this is my second color. That was just a fart noise. I'm not gonna add in all of them because I want to save them for another slime. Can you help me open this? I can. O'Shea. So I'm mixing up the slime before I add in the activator. So I'm using contact solution and baking soda. So I added in a little bit of baking soda, and I'm gonna mix that in first before I add in the contact solution. You don't really add in a lot of baking soda because it's gonna make the slime hard if you add in too much. And now I'm adding in the contact solution, and you know when to stop adding in contact solution and baking soda once the slime is stopping sticking to the bowl. So I feel like I'll know when to stop because it will make the stick harder to mix. So I don't think it's coming together, so I'm gonna add in more baking soda. I hope I didn't add in too much. I feel it coming together. So it's really different when you're blindfolded because you can't see anything, and you can't see if you like the color of the slime or if it's coming together. And right now I could feel the spoon getting heavier when I lift it up. So I feel like the slime's starting to come together finally. Oh, I feel it. It feels nice. And I'm not gonna go in my hands yet. It needs a little bit more because it's not already. Ooh, this feels nice. Oh, this is nice. I wonder what color it is. I hope it turns out good. This feels really nice though. Before I use the slime on my hands, I pour contact solution on my hands and rub it together and take the slime and put it in my hands and mix it together. That makes the slime more firm and nice. This slime feels nice. It feels like the best slime that I've ever made. The baking soda, it helps like the slime become a little bit firm, but I don't like adding a lot into like clear slime or like glitter slime because it makes it very hard. I usually add it into white slime, but I only add in a little bit. I know I'm not working with white slime because white slime's like thick. The glitter glue is too, but like white glue's in the middle of thick and thin. I think, yeah, it's in the middle. And like glitter glue's at the top and clear is very thin, so it's at the bottom. If I could make a guess, it would be glitter slime, and I think it would be blue. I know the slime is like the right texture and consistency, like when it stops sticking to the bowl and sticking to my hands and stuff, and I think that's right now. So I'm gonna take off my blindfold. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, I did not think, this is actually nice, but I didn't think it would turn out this color. I was close to blue though. Like it's purple. This feels really nice. I like doing this with my slime.
What does that do?
It's poking. And I'm going to make a bubble. We go 1, 2, 3, down. It actually made a bubble.
Okay, let's do it again.
Okay.
So when you say down, I let go.
Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3, down.
How do you get it to pop?
Oh, you just need to make it like go out anyway, and then you like bring it down.
That's how it makes the popping noise?
Yeah, like you go. This is how I do it. So you go like this, and then down, and then. And it's really cool. So guys, I have a challenge for you. I want you to comment down below and tell me what your favorite slime is and what slime video you want me to do next. So make sure you subscribe and like and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys!